What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Porsche 944. The whole car came in this condition, and there's one thing you gotta know whenever you wrap a car like this, primered and whatnot. Here's the front bumpers, the rear bumpers, the all the little extensions, the headlight covers that go right here. And well, whenever you're working on a car in this condition, it's very important to use vinyl wrap that is not tacky. It doesn't have high tack, because if it did have high tack, let's say I'm wrapping it in this really nice satin dark gray, which let me show you guys, it is insane. All the body lines are starting to come through and everything is really starting to pop out. It's by 3M 2080 satin dark gray, so it does have low tack. But if this was high tack, very bad things would be happening. So let's say I was knocking out this car in the antique green by Tech Wrap, the same color I wrapped the McLaren GT in. That material is high tack, and so I had to use some tack reducer. I was still afraid that I'm gonna peel some paint, even though it is a McLaren and McLaren treats their cars really well, paints them really well. I was still afraid something's gonna go bad. Now imagine me using that material on this car, high tack vinyl on this car. I'm in trouble. Believe me, I'm in trouble. So you want to use a low tack vinyl, Cheetah Wraps, Avery Dennison, 3M 2080, or like some of the Ultra Jets by Evolve, or as many know them, Apo Films. I know this all from experience, therefore I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys do not run into a headache and then wonder what happened. It's very important to use a low tack vinyl on cars that are prepped with primer or have that clear coat, aged paint job, or the car has been sitting in the sunlight baking for 5-6 years. So anyways, now all we gotta do on this car is complete this part right here, the hood and the roof, and then there's another part right here that we gotta wrap, which is right here, and that's it. He is taking the car, and then I'll be completing the little pieces, which will be done this week, but the car itself, it's complete. All finished. And then all the parts right there, and the bumpers and everything. Yeah, I went in here like really good. Did the whole part. It looks really good.
Beautiful. Oh, this turned out really nice too. Now see, that's what I thought you were asking me, if this is what you wanted.
Yeah,
the trim.
It was this piece right here, which
wow,
I also wrapped.
That's really insane.
It was really difficult, but we did it, and yeah, no, it looks really good. The body lines are starting to come out. Everything is there now. Can't wait to get this car assembled and have it complete.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
I didn't think it was going to look this nice. You know how you sort of envision things as you put them together in your head.
Yeah, yeah.
But I really didn't think that it would be. I didn't think it'd be this nice.
There you go. There you guys have it. Looks so good. And he's so happy. That's what it's all about. And I'm on to the next one, the Mercedes-Benz E350 that I'm doing in this really nice purple color by Avery Dennison. There's a little bit something. You guys don't want to miss the next video. So like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.